Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. You can see the little Walgreens right there. We are here to do some deals for the week of the 9th through the 15th of April. And it's pretty slow, I think, for me anyways. So I don't have a booster at all. And I have those boosters where you can get so many purchases, but mine are very high. Mine are very high. They're like, you know, make 8 purchases, spend $30, get $5 or something like that. So I'm not really trying to reach those, but if I get a good one, I try to. But I don't have any boosters. I have one paper booster that I will try and use. It did expire yesterday, so we'll just see if it works or not. I hope everyone had a good Easter. Mine was very, very low key. I started a new medication that is very good in the long run for me. I know it's a little too personal probably, but the first couple of days after taking the medication, and I take it weekly, I have been feeling very fatigued. So I'm trying the best that I can to bring you some deals today, but there's just not that many that I can personally do, I think. So we're just gonna, you know, go in and get a couple of cheap things, and that's all it's gonna be. We are also gonna go to Rite Aid. There is one deal over there that I would really like to do and show you guys if you have a Rite Aid and you're in need of something like that. So anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to help plan your trip or to help you out in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're just going to do one transaction, and we're starting off in the laundry section, and we're going to do this promotion that includes this Downy beads priced at $10.99. Now, this is a promotion that is buy two, get back a $5 register reward, and it's products that are priced for $10.99, or some of them are on sale for a sale price of $10.99. Now, you can go on the app and it'll show you what products are included. It includes, I think, one laundry soap, and that's for Gain Liquid. That is on sale for $10.99, but my store had them clearanced out and they were all gone. So this is the next best thing if you can't get a liquid laundry product. So we're going to grab the 2 beads, the Downy April Fresh beads for $10.99 a piece, and the 2 of them will cost $21.98. I do not have any digital coupons. You could use printable coupons, but I'm going to use this $4 P&G coupon that we got last week. That'll bring our total down to $17.98. Then you'll get back a $5 register reward, making them $12.98. Now that might not seem like a great deal by itself, but if you wanted to do this deal by itself, you could, and you could use Walgreens cash to pay. Of course, I'm pairing it in with a booster so that it's a little bit cheaper. So I am totally fine with this deal. We don't get this deal very often, I don't think, and so I'm really happy to pick these up, and I could never get enough of them. So next we're going to do a sunscreen deal. Coppertone sunscreen is on promotion this week for spend $20, get back $10 in a register reward. So you could use Walgreens cash to pay for this, and since the sunscreens, they are at full price, you could use a 20% off coupon that you get at the register sometimes. Sometimes I get them quite frequently, sometimes I don't get them very much. But if you do use that 20% off coupon, just make sure that you are at $20 after that store coupon. Then you can use manufacturer coupons to bring it down even lower. But I don't have one, but I do have a good digital coupon that I'm going to be using. So the first one we will be grabbing is the Complete for $13.49, and then I am going to grab a kids spray for $10.99. That'll make our total $24.48. I have a $3 digital coupon for the regular Coppertone. Now that coupon does not say on the coupon in my app that it is an only for you coupon, but when I looked at my other accounts, they didn't have it. So I'm not sure if it's an only for you coupon. But then that'll bring your total down to $21.48. You would pay that. Then you'll get back a $10 register reward, making both of them $11.48. So that's everything that I'm grabbing at Walgreens. I will be using this paper booster, $9 when you spend $40, plus a couple of register rewards. So that's everything that we are grabbing. We're going to head over to Rite Aid now. So over at Rite Aid, we do have an in-ad booster of spend $50, get back $10 in bonus cash. There's really not a lot of deals that I see that I could really do, but I really wanted to grab these diapers. Now the box diapers here are on sale for $24.99, and then they're part of a promotion where you buy one, you get back $3 in bonus cash, and it's a limit of 2. So grabbing 2 of these, your total will be $49.98. So that we can use the booster of spend 50, we're going to throw in a little 34-cent candy. That'll make our total $50.32. Now, I don't have any coupons for these. I think you can print some off of Huggies.com, but I only have some pull-ups coupons. So I'm going to use this 9 off of 45 Catalina coupon that was printed out for me last week. Now those print completely at random at the register, and when you check out, if one prints, then the store will give it to you. So that'll make my total $41.32. I will pay that, and then I will get back $10 in bonus cash from the booster and $6 in bonus cash for the promotion. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $6 for each one. So then that's going to bring my total down to $13.32 for 2 boxes of diapers. Now look on Fetch, of course. I have 1,000 points back on Fetch Rewards when I spend $20. So then that would make my total $12.32 or 36 cents for a bunch of diapers, and I think that's a phenomenal deal. So we're also going to grab some free oral care. So the Crest and Oral-B are on sale for $3.99 this week. When you buy 2, you will get back $4 in bonus cash. So I'm going to grab the toothpaste for $3.99 and a toothbrush for $3.99. That'll bring our total to $7.98. We are going to use $2 printables from the pggoodeveryday.com website. That'll make our total $3.98, but then we'll get back $4 in bonus cash, making them free. Now, these paper coupons will not count against my threshold paper coupon that I'm using. Only if I had digital coupons, which I do not, so we're good to go there. Then I wanted to show you a couple of deals that I won't be personally doing, but you might be interested in. The Hand in Hand hand soap, they're $4.99. They're buy one, get back $2 in bonus cash. Then I noticed a ways down the aisle, body wash and things like that that are also the Hand in Hand brand are included in that promotion. My filler, which I could have just gotten a little candy, but my filler for my transaction was my oral care. Next, there are these noodles here that are buy 2, get back $1 in bonus cash. And then there's also a promotion, a really nice one with this top ramen, the macaroni and cheese, the Kraft macaroni and cheese, Campbell's soup, and Progresso. They're all part of a promotion where you spend $15, you get back $3 in bonus cash. So I might come back and do that deal because we really like Progresso soup, and that would be a nice little deal there too. So that's everything that I have for you. Now let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid and Walgreens, and if you hear some noises in the background, it's most likely my air conditioner. It's actually pretty warm today. So we're back in from Walgreens and Rite Aid, and I don't think I had any problems, really. I don't. If I did, I didn't notice them. The only thing that happened in Rite Aid was that when she scanned my booster, it gave a funny message, but it still took it. It just said something like, what did it say? Something about the guest has to scan card or something like that, which all my stuff was already in the system. So I don't know what that was. So I know diapers is probably not the typical kind of thing that I bring, but I do know that people do need diaper deals. And I thought, I'm going to just hang on to these because sometimes I will donate to a baby pantry. So I think it's a good idea to show this stuff. Even though it's a little out of pocket, I don't think what I spent or what my actual total was for what I got was too terrible, even for a donation. So anyways, I was really excited with this deal. I got the Huggies, and then I got the Crest and Oral-B, my $9 off of $45 coupon that came off totally fine, and then so did my printable coupons. I didn't have any coupons for the Huggies. I had pull-ups coupons, but not diapers. So anyways, that brought my total down to $44.96. I did get back $20 in bonus cash, $10 for the the booster from the ad worked, which that was weird that in the ad, the actual ad, it's grayed out. But that one gave me back $10, and then I got back $3 for each box of Huggies, and then $4 for the Crest and Oral-B. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $12 there for the diapers, which is huge, absolutely huge, I think. So super happy with that. Now, I will scan my receipt to fetch rewards. I do have like $1 when I spend $20, so I should get back $1 back on fetch rewards. And then I did get back 580 points, which equals out to $1.16. So that makes everything that I got at Rite Aid just $10.80. And especially in times like this, I can spare $10 and take those down to the baby pantry, or hang on to them and give them to someone that I know will, you know, eventually need them because they have a little baby right now. So anyways, I think it's a really good deal, considering one of those boxes of the Snug and Dry, those were priced at $32.99, and I know they are marked up a little bit, but it's still like 88 diapers. So I think that's an amazing deal. So then at Walgreens, really no issues there. None. The only thing is that my store had like no clearance. I seen one thing of baby oil that was the Walgreens brand that was 90% off, but that was it. There were no tags, there were no nothing. So that was unfortunate, but typically when the Walgreens clearance is going nuts for everybody, I usually don't have any, but it is what it is. So not a whole lot going on, I don't think, this week. Plus, with not having a booster, I just didn't want to get a lot of things without having any type of boosters to stack together. That is my jam. That's what I love to do, and it is an off week, so that's okay. So I got the copper tone, and then I got the Downy Fresh beads. So here is my receipt. So my booster did apply to my receipt. Then that $4 off coupon from last week for the P&G items come off, because it does say on the coupon that is on your next P&G purchase. It doesn't have to be those particular items. Then I had two $5 register rewards, and then I had a $3 coupon there for the copper tone. So that brought my total down to $29.46. I did get back $9 in Walgreens cash. I'm just going to show you to save some time. So I did get back $9.46 in Walgreens cash. Then I got back a $5 register reward for the Downy beads, which also includes Gain, some Gain items, but there's not very many that are included. Online, it doesn't show that any Tide are included, even though the ad does say Tide. But we just went with the Downy beads, and we're good with that. Then we also got back a $10 register reward for the copper tone. Such a good deal, I think, because then that $10 register reward does come in handy. I also got a paper spend booster for spend 50, get back 10. Haven't got one of these in a very long time. So back to the math. So my total was $29.46. I got back $9.46 in Walgreens cash. That's kind of funny. So that brings my total down to $20. But then I got back $15 in register rewards, making my total $5. Now you can add in the $10 in register rewards that I used to pay, but it still didn't cost me that much. So the total for everything that I got was $5 out of pocket, but the cost for the items was $15, which still I don't think is bad, because this was like $14. So it's pretty close to buying one of these and getting the other 3 items for free, which I think is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Now hopefully I will get a booster next week, but if not, we'll make it work. We'll make it work, because I do have a paper booster that I can use for $10 back, which I think is pretty good. It would be great to stack it, but we'll just at the mercy of Walgreens. Anyways, I'm just kidding. But anyways, guys, that is really all I have for you today. Just some quick, easy deals. Not the cheapest deals, but it's not always going to be that way for everybody. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. But she said, let's try it again. What is that? It is like... what is like getting my eye? Is it this? It's this.